Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can appear offline on Discord. So for instance, as you can see, I'm playing Roblox here, but on this status page, there's no I'm playing Roblox activity. That's because I turned it off. So go to user settings, go to the activity privacy, and you're just going to either enable or disable that. Then if you just want to completely go offline, you're just going to select your name, go to the status, and then select invisible. And as you can see, I'll be offline then. But that is pretty much it really for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!